With Smart Klaus, the number of complaints from our customers has dropped by 50%, resulting in lower costs.
The Möllertech site in Thuringia is known for its interior fittings. We exclusively produce interior fittings for Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar, and Land Rover, from the A pillar to the B pillar and C pillar.
The customer requirements were the main reason for implementing a system that carries out inspections. Smart Klaus came into play during the project phase specifically because we preferred a camera system over normal sensors, and Optimum offered a full solution with Smart Klaus, making it the obvious choice. Smart Klaus works like a worker in the final inspection, but digitally and 100% effective. The workers check the components for surface damages, then mount the corresponding parts according to the work instructions, and place the part under Smart Klaus camera. Once the 100% I/O inspection sequence is completed, the employee can package the component. 4 of our 5 Smart Klaus systems have a dual camera system, and 1 has a quad camera system. Due to the size of some of the components, 4 cameras had to be set up in the test room in order to be able to check all parts. Our Smart Klaus is independently connected to the traceability and documentation system, as well as to our production data acquisition system. This means that any component not approved by Smart Klaus cannot be booked further in SAP. As a result, both the quality and quantity of the component are ensured. In the beginning, there was skepticism about the system. Once we had overcome their fears and shown them that there was nothing to be afraid of, because Smart Klaus, as soon as he is set up, does all the work himself, the fears disappeared and the employees have now gratefully accepted it.
Wait, what's happening? Everyone kept saying Smart Klaus is coming, so we kept looking, where is he? Until we realized that it was this system. Everything is carefully inspected to make sure that all the individual parts are in place, or the parts have been sprayed properly. So, in my opinion, working with Smart Klaus gives us safety.
Now, customers are increasingly outsourcing assembly tasks to their suppliers in order to receive a finished component that they can install directly. And of course, the testing system helps us enormously to check the add-on parts, since employees can always forget a part if they have been assembling for over 8 hours.